Craving a flavorful and easy-to-make recipe for your next barbecue? How about trying out the tantalizing Tajín grilled chicken? This recipe incorporates a perfect blend of zesty Tajín seasoning, smoky spices, and the succulent taste of grilled chicken. Start off by preparing the marinade. Combine 2 tablespoons of Tajín seasoning, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, smoked paprika, and dried oregano. Add salt and black pepper to taste, and finish with the juice of 1 lime. Mix these ingredients well to create a flavorful paste. Next, it's time to treat the chicken with this spicy blend. Pat the chicken down using paper towels. Rub the Tajín marinade over the chicken, ensuring each piece is evenly coated. Cover the chicken and allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. But if you can, try to leave it for up to 4 hours to really let those flavors sink in. While the chicken is marinating, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Once the chicken has had time to soak up the marinade, remove it from the refrigerator and allow it to come to room temperature for about 15 minutes. Now comes the exciting part: grilling. Grill the chicken for approximately 6 to 8 minutes on each side until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C, and have a nice char on the outside. Once this is achieved, remove the chicken from the grill and allow it to rest for a few minutes. After the chicken has rested, you can either slice it into thin strips or serve it whole. Garnish the Tajín grilled chicken with a sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro and serve with lime wedges on the side for an extra burst of tangy flavor. The Tajín grilled chicken makes a delightful main course, perfect for pairing with your favorite sides, whether that's rice, grilled vegetables, or a fresh salad. This recipe is not only simple to prepare but also brimming with vibrant, zesty flavors thanks to the Tajín seasoning. So the next time you're planning a barbecue, remember the Tajín grilled chicken. It's sure to bring a flavorful twist to your table. Enjoy this succulent, smoky, and spicy treat that will have everyone asking for seconds. Enjoy.